Ready to make serious money in 2024? These stocks could redefine your portfolio. We're diving deep into the Indian stock market, uncovering hidden gems and market leaders ready to explode. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of the next big thing. And trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Stick around till the end for a special surprise worth 21,000 rupees. Curious? Let's get started. The world is going green, embracing renewable energy sources like never before. And Suzlon Energy is leading the charge in India, setting new benchmarks in the industry. Suzlon is a major player in wind energy, known for its innovative solutions and sustainable practices. With a global presence and a track record of success, Suzlon has established itself as a trusted name in the renewable energy sector. They've got the technology, expertise, and government support to dominate this sector, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. India is making huge investments in renewable energy, aiming to reduce its carbon footprint and promote sustainable development. And Suzlon is perfectly positioned to reap the rewards thanks to its strategic initiatives and robust infrastructure. We're talking about billions of dollars flowing into this sector, folks, creating immense opportunities for growth and innovation. Get on board with Suzlon Energy. This is a golden opportunity to invest in a company that's driving the future of energy. This is a stock with explosive growth potential, poised to deliver significant returns for its investors. Zomato, the undisputed king of food tech in India, is serving up a feast for investors. Zomato is building a food tech empire, dominating every aspect of the food tech landscape. They're expanding aggressively, gobbling up market share and constantly innovating. If you're looking for a stock that's as hot as a Vindaloo, look no further than Zomato. Not every stock can be a flashy tech company. Sometimes you need to build something real. DCW Limited is in the business of chemicals and PVC products, the building blocks of modern India. Every new construction project needs DCW's products. DCW is incredibly undervalued, offering a chance to buy low and sell high. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of India's industrial heart. Oil India Limited, fueling your portfolio for maximum gains. This company is a cornerstone in the energy sector, providing essential resources that power industries and homes alike. Oil and gas are the energy sources that keep the world moving, and Oil India is at the forefront. Their extensive network of drilling platforms and pipelines ensures a steady supply of energy to meet global demands. They've got a proven track record of success and massive reserves. With strategic business decisions and a focus on growth, Oil India has consistently delivered strong financial performance. Oil India is transforming itself for the future, investing heavily in renewable energy. From solar panels to wind turbines, they are diversifying their energy portfolio to include sustainable options. They're not just an oil company anymore, they're an energy powerhouse. Their modern facilities and advanced infrastructure are a testament to their commitment to innovation and sustainability. This is a stock with a bright future, and I'm betting big on their continued success. With their forward-thinking approach and robust energy solutions, Oil India is poised to deliver maximum gains for your portfolio. Imagica World Entertainment Limited. Get ready for the entertainment boom. The entertainment industry is back, and Imagica World is ready to deliver. Theme parks, water parks, snow parks, Imagica World has it all. They're creating immersive experiences that will keep people coming back for more. They're investing in technology and new attractions. This is a company that's riding the wave of the entertainment boom. Avanti Feeds Limited, reeling in profits from the sea. Avanti Feeds is the undisputed king of the seafood industry. They're one of the largest producers of shrimp feed in India, with products in high demand globally. Avanti Feeds is all about quality, sustainability, and innovation. The demand for seafood is only going up, meaning more profits for investors. This is a company with a bright future, and I'm betting big on their continued success. KFin Technologies Limited. riding the fintech wave to financial freedom. Fintech is the future, and KFin Technologies is leading the charge in India. They're a one-stop shop for all your financial technology needs. KFin Technologies is at the forefront of the digital transformation of India's financial sector. As more people access financial services digitally, KFin Technologies is perfectly positioned to capitalize. This is a company with a bright future, and I'm betting big on their continued success. This is about more than just making money. It's about investing in the future of India. VLE Governance and IT Solutions is at the forefront of a digital revolution in governance. They're simplifying the lives of millions of Indians by reducing bureaucracy and eliminating corruption. As the Indian government invests in e-governance, VLE Governance is perfectly positioned to capitalize. This is a company that's making a real difference in the lives of millions of Indians. Capacity Infra Projects is in the business of building the future, one project at a time. They're one of the fastest growing infrastructure companies in India. From roads and bridges to airports and hospitals, Capacity Infra Projects is building the infrastructure that will power India's growth. India's infrastructure needs are massive and growing every day. The government is investing heavily in infrastructure development. This is a company that's building the future, and I'm betting big on their continued success. ITA. Cementation India Limited is the name to know in the cement industry. They're one of the largest cement producers in India, supplying the essential ingredient for India's growth. ITD Cementation is more than just a cement company. They're a diversified construction giant. They're building the future with operations spanning engineering, procurement, and construction. This is a company that's built to last, and I'm betting big on their continued success. There you have it, folks. We've just unveiled some incredible opportunities for you. 10 stocks that could redefine your portfolio in 2024. These are not just any stocks. They have the potential to bring significant returns and reshape your financial future. Remember that surprise I promised? Well, here it is. For a limited time, I'm giving away 21,000 rupees worth of financial calculators. These tools are essential for anyone serious about managing their investments effectively. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, send a screenshot to WhatsApp 9113211787, and you're in the running to win. It's that simple. Also, don't miss out on our exclusive How to Automate Trades course. Originally priced at 7,000 rupees, it's now available for just 99 rupees. This course will teach you everything you need to know about automating your trades and maximizing your profits. The link is in the description below. Click it to get started and take advantage of this amazing offer. Happy investing, and remember, fortune favors the bold. Take action now and secure your financial future.